Hey guys, what's going on? So this week we are doing a review of R2-D2.
Yeah.
So Cheryl's having a workout. We think. Well, let's just cut to the prep. That was lucky, wasn't it? So what we're doing today, Beth?
We're going to wash a cuddly blanket that we use on the sofa and my posh jumper with R2-D2. I'm going to do the R2-D2 dance.
Wow.
Pour it in where?
Anyway.
Just through here?
Yeah. It's working already. A bit too hot.
Nah.
Yep. Apparently you meant to put that in first. So we've put your washing in, put your water in, and then you put your detergent just in this tray here. Michelle's going to do that. So that's that done. Lid on.
You can just put words over your video footage for that. Don't need to voice it. How long have you got to do it for?
2 hours.
2 hours?
So when you're using it, when you start spinning, you're meant to open that, which is the air pressure cap, and then we're doing it for 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes?
So
and don't put as much detergent in.
What makes you say that?
It's looking a bit frothy.
So I'd suggest 5 minutes each leg.
Alright.
What do you think?
Yeah. It's fine. I'm going to do my jumper after. Use the same water.
Use the same water?
Yeah.
You're going to have to do a rinse anyway, aren't you?
Yeah. So take that out, put the jumper in, wash that, and then rinse them. So I'm not wasting water. And detergent.
So yeah, we think we may have put too much detergent in. I'm guessing that by the way that it's seeping out the sides. So, moral of the story is a little less detergent.
Be a very clean blanket.
But we are going to have a very nice smelling blanket. The other thing is, so we ended last weekend and a bit disappointed, really. We had our first breakdown with the boat. So essentially the starter battery was flat when we came to leave on Sunday. So I had to go for a walk and get some jump leads, and then we jumped off the leisure bank of batteries, which worked fine. That was great. But obviously we need to do some investigation into why the starter battery went flat. We haven't used it for a while, we admit, but yeah. The weird thing is we were running the engine for probably a good hour and a half on the Saturday, which I would have thought would have charged it enough, but maybe not. So I don't know. Need to investigate with that. I've got a voltmeter in storage, so I need to pick that up and then do some investigation. Meanwhile, let's get back to R2D2.
A frothy R2D2.
So it suggests 3 to 5 minutes. No, sorry, 3 to 5 to 10 minutes.
3 to 10 minutes.
3 to 10 minutes even. So Shell's doing 5 minutes each leg.
Well, I'm just doing it until each leg gets knackered and then I'm swapping.
Tired.
Yeah. How do we get the lid off?
You have to lift the lid up, the handle up. That unlocks it, doesn't it? All the way over. No, all the way over.
Ah.
That's it. You can only go that way with it.
Well, will you get us a bag to put this in so we can just... Finished washing it now, so I'm going to put the cap back on for the pressure valve and we'll move this over so I can get the lid off. Move it this way so it's that on the top. Unscrew there and take my favourite jumper out, which is nice and clean. There we go. Our precious woolens are now washed and need rinsing.
Just something to bear in mind is when you're rinsing, so when you're doing the spin rinse, you just need to hold it down, otherwise you get it's a bit unstable because it hasn't got the weight in it. So this is the posture you take.
R2 is alive.
Just like any other washing machine.
Watch your fingers. Don't do that at home, you idiot. Is it quite dry?
It's
Because it would take ages to dry and stink.
yeah, pretty much. That's why I put the fire on.
Thank you.
Not bad.
Is it going
I'm
to
gonna
drip?
have to get rid of all that and get it, hang it up.
Yeah, put it back in the basket for now. Then.
So the verdict on the Drumi R2D2.
R2D2.
What do you think?
Very good. I put too much detergent in, so don't need as much detergent. And we reused the water, so we washed the jumper and the blanket. So if you'd got some stuff that was lightly soiled, you could do a few items, I think.
Yeah.
And not waste water.
I think it's good. It's awesome bit of kit.
Yeah,
Aesthetically, it's beautiful. Build wise, it's really robust. Seems really solid.
Good
Yeah,
workout.
yeah, yeah. There's nothing really wrong with it at all, is there?
No, just
Only thing, you hold it down when you're doing your rinse when it's empty, because it does rattle about a lot, obviously, but it hasn't got the weight in it. Use a little pop-up thing for your handle on that, so you don't get all whatever.
whatever.
Don't know what I'm saying.
Wet.
Yeah, yeah,
Wear
yeah,
flip-flops,
yeah.
because our feet got a bit wet.
And it's quite intuitive, so
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not hard to work out. Yeah. Thank you very much, Sylvia.
thanks,
You're
Sylvia.
an angel. Mwah.
So yeah, for doing your little bits, I think it's an awesome
Oh.
bit of kit. Have that. And the fact that you're not using any electricity or anything.
Yeah, so it's good if you...
It's pretty damn awesome. I imagine, you know, if you're a continuous cruiser, it's a really amazing bit of kit to have. And like we said, if you don't use too much detergent, you obviously won't waste too much water rinsing like we had to because somebody put too much in.
Yeah.
Ew. Shadolini.
Getting all popcorn out the beard.
So the other thing is, we'd like to say a really big thank you because we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Woo!
So that's that feels like some achievement after coming back from Narrowboat Chronicles being taken down. So we'd just like to say thank you for being part of our community, and we can't thank you enough. It's awesome. So
thank you.
Yeah, stick with us, and we shall see you next week probably.
Yes. Take care.
Ciao.
Ta-ta.
Bye.
Bye.
See you. Later.
Laters.
Later. Pass me a camera, love.
Why is your moustache all wet?
See, he's been licking it.
What, before? It was wet before.
Oh, I don't know. Probably
That's
just
snot.
Probably just. It's not snot. It'd be slobbering.
Yeah.
Well, it's not snot. Yeah.
Face yoga.
Is that my help?
Jowls.
Is there anything else you do? Go on then. Go on.